So here's a real quick video on how you might solve the problem of a door latch that doesn't engage correctly. Now I'll show you what's going on here. Once again, from the factory, this latch was installed too far away from the mating surface, from the edge, and it didn't engage. Now, one thing you could do is you could try to extend that, but I elected to just bolster the height of the engagement edge. I took a washer and I cut it in half, and I then used my favorite adhesive in the world, RTV, and put a good amount on there and locked that in there. Now this guy is locked in. RTV is such a phenomenally good adhesive, and it's waterproof, and it can be cut out with a razor blade if you want later, but now it has a nice latch. So when I close this guy and engage it, it is engaged. I was confused why this door was always unlocked, and it turns out it was not unlocked. It's just that it would pop open because the engagement of the latch didn't work. One more problem solved.